Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have POCO F8 Ultra. In this video I will show you how to reset network settings on this device. So resetting your network settings is a great way to troubleshoot connection issues that are related to your Wi-Fi, also mobile data and Bluetooth, without affecting your personal data. Let's open settings and you want to tap on section more connectivity options. Now if you scroll you will see option reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth, and in the bottom side of the screen please press button reset settings. Then you want to confirm the password to your phone and confirm that you really want to perform this network reset of network settings by tapping OK button. Yes, and you will see confirmation message on your screen, usually saying network settings have been reset. Yes, but keep in mind that this process will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords, also paired Bluetooth devices. So yeah, keep that in mind. So that's it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.